Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a little update on adding the Steam Studio calendar to your own calendars. So this was a room this year, and some people went in and tried to do it, but it still wasn't working. So you go over to the left-hand side of your screen, and you're going to add, and you're going to, instead of subscribe to a calendar, you're going to browse resources. This will allow you to browse the various things in the B building that you can sign out. And you're going to click on your Steam Studio, and then it should add it. This is the new one that I've been using this year. So make sure you go in and sign up. Um, I'm thinking that it does help to sign up a little bit early. As you can see, we had all of October and September filled up. So make sure you sign up early, and if we need to move dates around, that's okay. If you still need help or you want me to sign you up, please send me an email and I would be more than happy to.